What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati. One more time with another fresh one. Today I have a basic ABC medium skin fade men bun on top. I'm excited. You excited? Now, as you already know, just to save time, a large majority of the haircut has already been completed. I left the right side over here just to share my fitting techniques with you guys as usual. Nothing more, nothing less. Shout out to Cuss from Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? Marvelous Beauty and Barber School. What's up? Shout out to Angelic Cuts with a Z. All Detachable Blades haircut tutorial. Let's go! Alright, as you can see, I already prepped the haircut. Nice and easy. I'm going to move right in, starting my first guideline with the 08 blade. Let's go. This video is going to be sweet and fast. Keep in mind I have a 1.5 over here already. I prepped everything. I'm just going to show a small portion of my fitting techniques, and then we're going to move on. I'm pressing for time. I'm in a hurry right now, but I have an obligation to supply you guys with all detachable blade fitting techniques. It's my personal responsibility as the Barber Illuminati, and I'm all in. Barber Illuminati. Alright, I just put down my 08. This is my 000 at an angle as usual. Get in there. I'm gonna move the camera a bit. Boom. All right. Here's my 50 below the 000. Below the 000, then I'm going to use my Indies cordless TL liner to continue to work out the bottom line. As you can see, I'm a little, usually I'm a little bit more talkative, but this time I'm seriously pressing for time. I went through a lot of trouble to put this haircut together, and then the show must go on, regardless what happened along the way. Barber Illuminati. Boom. All right, I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps, starting with the 08 as usual. If you're new to the channel, I'm suggesting that you subscribe right now. If you're already part of the channel, you know that I appreciate you being part of the all detachable blade phenomenon, Barber Illuminati. All right, then the 000 below the 08. Get in there. By the way, if you want to interact with me, get access to me, you can access me on Instagram. Some of you guys already have been doing that. I appreciate that. I enjoy interacting with the subscribers, the people who are interested in what I have to offer. I appreciate that a great deal. If you want to reach out to me, I'm a whole lot more accessible on Instagram. Barber Illuminati. Alright, this is the 50 this time. Below the 000, then I'm going to move on to my to the second level of the haircut. As you can, I'm gonna use the 1.5 just for visual purposes. It's not that much necessary because I already took care of the 1.5 earlier before I turn on the camera. But I'm gonna do it again just for visual sake. This is my 1.5 blade. Boom. All right. I'm gonna move on to my 1A as usual. 1A, get in there. 1A at an angle. We are looking good. Boom. All right, I'm gonna move on to my 1, below the 1A. On the same manner, slightly lower. Do you think? Be careful with the T, please. All right, the OA below the 1. Get in there. All right, I'm gonna go over it one more time. This time I'm gonna start with my 1A blade, below the 1.5. Let's go. One A into the 1.5. Boom. Then the 1 into the 1A. Yes, I still have the 1 on. Boom. Then the OA. We're looking good. We're looking good again. All right, I'm taking a look here to see whether or not I should repeat the steps. All right, I'm gonna do it one last time. I want the blend to be nice and crispy. Yep, I'm gonna go over it one last time, but this time, just like I did before, I'm gonna start with my 1A, just repeat the steps quickly, then we're gonna wrap it up. All right, this is my 1A blade. Here we go. One last time. I want the blend to be much softer. So I'm going to go over it one last time quickly, and then we're going to move on. Boom. All right. Then the 1. Wow, look at this. Wow. The 1 below the 1A. Then I'm going to do a little bit of the OA below the 1. That'll be boom. Look at this. Wow. Incredible. All right. OA coming up.
Yes, a firm line mystery.
Yes. Nothing fancy. Boom. All right, YouTube. This is the cut. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Also, don't forget to look me up on Instagram. The name of the page is Barber Illuminati. I'm all worked up. This video was fast because I'm pressing for time. It's the end of the night. I have a lot to do. So I had to get it in and get it out. All right, I'm gonna do a quick spin. Then I have one more haircut to do. Then I'm getting out of here. You know, go home or something. Eat a nice meal, you know. Read a book or something before I fell asleep. You know, meditate a little. And then just shut it down for the night and come back at it again the next day. Now, this is a men bun. It's a bit disorganized up top. I don't have the time to put the men bun, you know, tidy up nice and neat up top. But I have to go, but you got the picture. This is the entire work. You got the picture. This is it. I appreciate you guys for watching. As you can see, I'm recording regularly multiple times a day. The Barber Illuminati is dedicated to the channel. It's my responsibility as the Barber Illuminati once again to supply YouTube with a few thousand all detachable blade haircut tutorial. That's my mission. Barber Illuminati.